Launching a scientific mission for rural development in 1967, Dr. Manibhai Desai founded the Bharatiya Agro Industries Foundation at Urli Kanchan, Pune. Later renamed as BIAF Development Research Foundation, a professionally managed, non-profit making public trust to refocus on developmental research for rural prosperity. BIAF have 4 campuses around Pune, that is, Central Research Station and Community Health and Research Center at Urli Kanchan, New Cement Station at Naik Inam and Bagholi campus. The Central Research Station spreaded over 227 hectares for undertaking applied research, innovation, critical input production, skills development and technology transfer and propagation to improve the farm productivity, Center for Training and Capacity Building in the field of livestock, fodder, integrated farming, soil and water conservation related developments, etc. For supplying quality frozen cement doses for artificial insemination in the field programs, CRS has established India's first ISO 9001-2015 certified frozen semen laboratory of international standard, which freezes over 10 million of semen doses per annum for indigenous, exotic and crossbred breeds of cattle and elite Indian breeds of buffaloes as per the minimum standard protocol laid down by the Central Monitoring Unit constituted by the Government of India, and this has been ranked A at Central Cattle Breeding Farm. Elite bull mothers and growing female calves are maintained for elite bulls and bull mother production. Around 600 high genetic merit breeding bulls covering cattle and buffalo breeds, including exotic, crossbreds and indigenous, are maintained at bull station for their semen collection. As per the international standards, Quality Control Section of FSL is engaged in performing the quality tests like post-thaw motility, bacterial count, etc. Quality frozen cement doses, after passing through different quality tests, are dispatched to the field through cement bank, where all frozen cement doses are used to store. Production of sex-sorted cement has started since October 2018 in collaboration with the pioneer in sorting technology, Sexing Technology. Ovum Pickup, an in vitro fertilization laboratory, is operational since 2018 with an objective of producing bull mothers and potential bull calves. Additionally, faster multiplication of elite animals of indigenous breeds like Gir, Sahiwal, Dangi, Deoni and Gaurao breeds. Department of Animal Nutrition is engaged in implementing research projects like All India Coordinated Research Project and Methane Outreach Program sponsored by ICAR and production of quality inputs. BIAF Agro and Biotechnology Private Limited is manufacturing and marketing the best quality mineral mixture brands like Biafman C and Vimicon to eliminate the most of the reproductive problems and improving milk production in livestock. Production of ICAR patented Harit Dhara anti-methanogenic feed supplement is produced, which reduces enteric methane emission by 17 to 20%. A novel method of ozone treatment to cotton stalk is standardized and making its complete feed for animal feeding to get improved milk production. The major activities at Agriculture Division consist of forage research, development of new fodder production and preservation technologies, ex situ conservation of various indigenous crop land races under Agro Biodiversity Program, sustainable agriculture, organic inputs, plant biotechnology for mutation breeding, genetic diversity and molecular analysis, ethno-veterinary medicines for control of animal diseases. Under ICAR sponsored AICRP project on forage crops, 4 varieties of fodder bajra, and 3 BIF Napier hybrids are developed and released at national level. A seed production program has been undertaken by producing breeder and foundation stage seeds on the campus. A gene bank of over 600 crop land races of paddy, millets, maize, sorghum, pulses and beans for ex situ conservation and breeding new crop varieties of plant genetic resources has established. The propagation, production and feeding technology for spineless cactus has been standardized and is being promoted on farmers' field through demonstrations. Vegetable grafting technique is eco-friendly, rapid, efficient and currently the best alternative approach to climate change resilient plant production. Under sustainable agriculture, different biofertilizers and biocontrol agents like nitro, potash, vertric, azotobacter, acetobacter, etc. are developed and produced through research for improving the quantity and quality of the crops. Bioprom, biologically treated phosphate-rich organic manure, is an alternative to diammonium phosphate and single superphosphate, which is produced by co-composting organic matter through dung cake with high-grade rock phosphate and beneficial microbes. Integrated renewable energy and sustainable agriculture-based biogas unit. Renewable energy-based prefabricated floating dome types of biogas, which are environmentally friendly, portable, ready-to-use plant, designed specially to produce 2 cubic meter gas sufficient for 5 to 6 family members. Biochar super charcoal is a highly stable form of carbon that can persist in soil for hundreds to thousands of years. Is produced by using different crop residues with crop-specific microbial cultures. Azolla production is a good option for feeding the livestock, which improves milk quality and production. BIF Analytical Laboratory with cutting-edge technologies in the areas of animal nutrition, soil, animal health, molecular biology, and animal semen have been established to provide the testing facilities. Samvadini Outbound Polling Center is established for contacting and resolving the queries of the farmers for making them aware about livestock and agriculture related aspects. A training center recognized by Department of Animal Husbandry, Dairying and Fisheries for carrying artificial insemination certificate courses is conducting lead-based training courses with an objective to disseminate the research outcome in the community, technology transfer, women empowerment, community health, water management and training through innovative programs. Implementing research and CSR projects, Community Health Research Center was established. Under the BIF Kisan Mart initiative, various high-quality products of BIF with reasonable prices are kept for sale. New intervention of BIF's Milk ATM for supplying BIF's cows high-quality milk is introduced. Wagholi campus was established in 1972, spread over 93.94 hectare, is engaged in maintaining a center of excellence in goat semen production and demonstration of forage and fodder models, water conservation, high density wadi, azolla, vermicomposting and aquaculture activities. well-equipped goat cement production facilities for multiple 9 indigenous bucks breeds including Black Bengal, Beetle, Osmanabadi, Sangamneri, Jamnapari, Sirohi, Ganjam and one exotic breed African boar is created since 2018. Different fodder and forage varieties are produced in the campus. Quality silage is produced for livestock feeding at campus. Campus present a very ideal model for water conservation measures helping in regenerating Nala with diverse plantation replicating a biodiversity. A pond with pond lining has been established as a part of water conservation demonstration to maximize the benefits of water as a resource. An integrated geotank-based high-density aquaculture activity as a value addition activity and water storage of 55 lakhs liters have been established. A biopark making the people and fauna to reconnect with environment. More than 55 birds and 50 butterflies are part of this ecosystem, which has helped to reclaim 20 acres of barren land into biodiversity park with establishment of indigenous varieties of grasses, bamboo, cactus, mahua and mother orchards of fruit plants as a part of biodiversity park. An integrated high-density wadi, that is horticulture model blended with multi-tier cropping system has been established for a small farmer. Vermicompost production is used for nurturing plantation at campus. Azolla production units has been established and a research project is being undertaken on the same concept to be fed to bucks and goats. A training facility of all types of trainees with lodging and boarding has been established at campus.